2025年3月15号，美国西雅图开平同乡会在西雅图庆祝成立15周年纪念暨2025春夜晚会。西雅图开平同乡会由梁国峰和有志于联络开平华侨联谊事业的热心人士创立。开平同乡会始终秉持团结至诚、凝聚共识创会会训，凝聚乡情和发展壮大本会，并且为大家提供一个分享交流的平台。乡亲们希望通过这个组织，延续开平人的精神和传统，增进开平人彼此之间的友谊，同时也为新来的移民提供支持和帮助。15年来，乡亲们凝聚开平人各方力量，大家团结一致，为开平同乡会的建设和发展做出贡献，积极参与市区活动，赢得西雅图侨界广泛讚譽和好評。
各位後生嘅來慶祝開平同鄉會，開平人開平軒公嘅，希望各位有機會翻去軒公參加黃氏同鄉會。
我哋開平而家有個碉樓啊，
開平有冇嘢食㗎？
開平嗰啲嘅馬公鵝係最有名㗎啦。
你有冇翻開平樓呀，靚女？要啊。哦。
開平靚唔靚？
靚，赤坎小鎮幾靚啦！呢個會就呢個，今日你哋開平會春夜，希望你越辦越好啊！
我哋開平嘅姊妹好人，得閒佢又請我飲茶。
今日我哋西雅圖開平同鄉聯誼會在此舉行慶祝，我會成立15週年紀念嘅2025業至10年嘅新春晚會，到大家嘅積極支持，委員同埋熱心嘅人士慷慨嘅解囊，出錢出力，團結愛心，為我哋嘅會帶來朝氣蓬勃嘅生機。本會嘅前途，本會嘅動力，未來嘅發展前景，有賴大家嘅參與同埋支持。我哋唔講長情，唔講自講，務實求真，凝聚共識，根本理解嚟到開平人嘅精神，團結愛心，呢個係我哋嘅會嘅核心嘅。開平精神，凝聚鄉親，各方面根本上會好，恭喜發財。
呢個係 Kai， 佢係我哋舞獅嘅，佢 Daniel， 呢個係 Calvin， Javis and Jathan。
Your name? What's your name?
Okay.
問佢點解中意舞獅
Why do you like line dancing?
It's fun and I can be with my friends and it's a workout. About what?
How old are you and what school you go to?
I'm 16. I go to Franklin High School in Seattle. I'm a sophomore at Franklin.
How'd you get into the team?
My boy Raymond invited me, bro. Hit up my boy Raymond, bro.
Gokfuk's grandson. I like to do line dancing because this is really interesting and it's part of my culture. And I'm in 7th grade. I'm 10th grade.
佢點樣入嚟嘅？
How'd you get into line dancing?
Raymond told me to join and it was really fun.
Hey, do you like it? Is it fun?
Yes, very fun. I really like it.
Why?
邊個嘅咪開平同鄉會好記得啊？要啊，送雕佢嗌會係咪？呢度都特別嘉賓，咁啊我哋嚟幫手幫力，我哋祝開平同鄉會會務興隆。你開平嘅嘛？
我唔係開平㗎，我台山㗎，我係嘅咪嚟參加開平同鄉會團體啊。